In this video, I show you how to set up internet for your Cisco router. Connect your router to your computer using the console cable. If your computer has no serial port to connect to the serial end of the console cable, use a USB to serial DB9 adapter to connect the serial end of the console cable to a USB port on the computer. Start the terminal emulator program on your computer. If you do not have a terminal emulator program installed, download and install one, such as PUTTY or Secure CRT to your computer. In this video, GE0/0 port is WAN port and GE0/1 port is LAN port. First, configure PPPoE using the following command line. After entering the command line, connect the network cable to the WAN port. Check the result. Next is to configure the DHCP server. Set the IP address for port GE0/1. DHCP configuration. Plug the network cable into port GE0/1. Plug the other end of the network cable into the computer. Finally, configure NAT. Check the result. The computer has been allocated an IP address and can access the internet. Hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching, don't forget like and subscribe. We review the commands used.